All right, so this job had a little bit of leaf blowing because of all of the plants. We just kind of blew the leaves out the door. We just coated it with our mold inhibiting solution. We're about 2 months in, and all around the edges of the cage, and especially areas near the planters, bleach is definitely one of the best friends that you can use to keep the bricks looking good. It's usually the areas that are exposed to the most moisture and not the finished open porch section. This area really looks good, not a whole lot in the way of mold. So we pretty much coated the borders and the pool deck part of this patio. It's really lifted off all of the black that started to accumulate. And guys, keep in mind, this has just been a couple months. You can still see that it's here cleaning right now. And we're just gonna actually let it sit and do its thing. And no rinse off on this.